Hey, what's up? How you doing today? Just doing some routine maintenance on this little Troy Bilt four-stroke um, leaf blower. Just routine maintenance. The owner said it was seemed to be stalling, not running when it would get hot, but I did a few things to it and I tested it pretty good. Of course, it's not that hot today, so it didn't do that with me at all. I didn't have any problems with it, but this side is your air intake for the blower, not for the engine, but for the blower part. And if you need to pry that open, you can with a flathead screwdriver. Just push it straight in, and I guess that's for when it gets clogged up or whatever. When you're using it in your left hand, this is sucking on your pants leg. But anyway, I poured the cheap gas out and put some good pure 93 octane in it. But yeah, it's a 4 cycle, so no, you don't have to mix it's a 25 cc full crank. I don't know what TB4HB or excuse me TB4HBEC stands for something. But anyway, the spark arrestor muffler wasn't clogged up. Here's your spark plug right here. And just for reference, I've got the number for it. That is the tiniest spark plug I've ever seen. The spark plug number is almost like a phone number, 794-00043. Hey man, again, that's the smallest one I've ever seen. Get you a real small. You can use a 5/8 or a 17mm socket on it, but use a real small ratchet, like a little stubby one, so you don't get it too tight. Don't even use that one, use that one. You'll need a T25 Torx bit, and you might want to use it in your cordless, and you might need a skinny one like that. That handles most of the screws that hold the plastic parts on. And I use this little spark plug hole cleaner for those tiny little threads, whatever they are. What are those? 10mm? That's just a 10mm. Wow, that's small. Use some good electrical ox guard I buy at Home Depot, or you can order it on the plug boot end right there. It's got the scrawniest little air filter you've ever seen. It's just a little square thing there. Just clean that out. But it snaps on. You can use a flat blade screwdriver to pry that, but that's about it. Oh, it barely holds any oil. I think it says 2.03. That's like nothing. So just fill it up. Take this cover off, 2 screws right there, and just fill it up as best you can. You'll make a mess. I did. Probably supposed to use straight 30 weight, but I just used some 20/50. And that old oil was black, really dark, bad looking. But supposedly they're doing their job. The oil's supposed to be doing its job when it's dirty like that. So anyway, keep rocking.